How do you describe St. Louis in one word?
A baseball town.
The community.
It's good and bad.
I love it.
I think my take about it is, what's up guys? So I got 90 minutes in St. Louis and I want to know if the city is actually worth visiting. Let's go. All right, so if you know anything about St. Louis, this is probably what comes to mind. The Gateway Arch. The thing everybody recognizes right away. It's kind of the symbol of the city. And yeah, it's impressive in person. Way bigger than you expect. But honestly, every city has something like this. A landmark, a spot everyone takes pictures of. And while that's cool, it doesn't really tell you what the place feels like. This is what everybody comes here for. But the question is this enough? Is there more? Let's check out St. Louis. So I wanted to see what St. Louis is like beyond just the arch. This is St. Louis, boy. Amazing city. And pretty quickly you start noticing the culture here. There's a strong sense of pride in the city. You see it in what people wear, what they talk about, and just how they show up in everyday life. It's just part of the identity of the place. So instead of guessing what the city's like, I figured I'd just talk to people who actually live here. This is Ballpark Village behind me where the Cardinals play, the baseball team from St. Louis. And it's beautiful, man. I can feel the culture.
Say that again.
How do you describe St. Louis in one word?
I'm just gonna say, actually I don't know what to say. Anyway, it's good and bad, all right? So it's good and bad. I mean, you can judge people different ways. So therefore, I live here, so I actually.
Do you watch baseball?
Yeah, but
You're a fan?
I'm not actually a St. Louis fan.
I'm recording if you don't mind. All right. So, what would you describe St. Louis in one word?
A baseball town.
Do you love it?
I love it.
How long you been here?
I've been here, I grew up about an hour and a half south of St. Louis.
Okay.
I've been here for 10 years.
Okay. And what's one thing that people don't know unless they've been to St. Louis?
The food here is actually really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there some spots I can try out?
If you like barbecue, I recommend Pappy's.
Pappy's?
Yep.
Pappy's Grill?
Yeah, I
think-
don't know, but like ribs.
For ribs?
Place to go.
All right, bro. I
And
appreciate
they sell
it.
out fast too.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it first come, first
First
serve?
come, first serve. Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
You have a good day now. All right, man. All right. What is it that, do you mind being on camera? You sure? All right. So, what is one thing about St. Louis that people don't know unless they've been here?
I don't know, actually. I'm not a good person.
No, you good?
I'm not sure.
What's your favorite thing about St. Louis?
My favorite thing, the community.
The community?
Yeah, for sure.
That's awesome. And do you watch baseball? Are you a fan?
Not really. I just work in the village.
Okay. Have you been to a game before?
Like one time when I was like 8.
Yeah. Did you like it?
It was cool.
Hey, thanks. I appreciate it. Take care. All right. That was cool. So the people here are nice, man. Everybody's approachable, friendly, and I think my take about it is St. Louis is a good town. And hearing all that, you start to understand the city a little more. It's not just about the places, it's about the people in them. So yeah, the arch might be what brings you here, but it's the culture and the people that actually make St. Louis feel like St. Louis.